go to the other side. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, it stopped. Yes. Franklin Mall. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. But this one is nice in here.
So yeah, they'll let you know.
Are you gonna enjoy that one? Look at the view.
That'll be your
Oh, there is the red one over there now. Big. Wow. Oh, that one is evergreen, so it won't change. It's mountains, guys. It's mountains, believe me. Bariaran is bukid, guys. So, I like that one. Wow. Look. Oh, amazing natures.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's enjoy, okay? Let's enjoy. Oh, those.
Mom, I'm seeing a lot of Biden signs, a few truck signs.
Okay, that's the music though. The music club though is low it. Your music club is good as ayaw pa. Kuski. Kaya I am taking. But I'm taking video love. Wow, look. Oh my goodness, look at that one. Wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna go 5 minutes love, 5 minutes. Then after that one you can do it. Oh, it's 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, the other side again. Okay, stop. Whoa, the one. That is the. Look at guys. So this is not gonna be like what part that there is a lot of colored trees. That one the other side. Okay, although guys, that is a cemetery, but see. Whoa. It's a cemetery. Minteryuhan. Okay, let's just enjoy the nature lover. You're okay because I'm taking video for the nature here. No, we're not in it. The other side. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is nice. Nice place to. Another color over there. See? That one's different color. See? Okay. There is a market. Can we go to the market?
Yeah, there.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This is the park that you.
No, it's not a park. I'm gonna take it to a garden.
Mom, you're not gonna load the car up with plants.
That is orchard.
I don't know.
Yeah, there are a lot of people picking something at the top of the mountains. I saw it. They're picking something. Okay, guys. Do you enjoy? I enjoy. Go to the look, that is a apple.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna off this video, then I'm gonna continue this soon. Where's this door?
So you can pull up and back up. Okay, now you can pull up.
Yeah, love your yeah. I'm ready to go. Get out.
Oh, init tayo. Stop na.
Ikaw may nagkaukaw diha. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, we're here in the Orchard's place. Okay, bye. I'm gonna see by this one. Okay, hi guys. That is the village here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look, that's my daughter. Okay. We're gonna go to a park. It's a little bit chilly, but we're okay. Yeah, you look Christmas tree, love. We're gonna put some. Oh man, I forgot. I don't know where is the. Remember, I have something in here. It's not.
Yeah, wait. Let me take it out. Then you can close it now.
Okay, they're gonna put the new license plate. No, I'm not. I just told that they're gonna put it in there.
Are you in the frame on it?
Okay, both daddy and daughter are doing this. Reason we are here, we're to bring the new license plate.
Maybe put the other piece on.
Wow. No, I just looking.
Why you always looking?
Because eh. What car are we gonna use? Hers? Okay. Okay, that's their apartment. That one. And that is the lives around in this area. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna use her car. Okay guys, bye. I'm gonna take a video soon after we're gonna